Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore an interesting question that has sparked debate among developers. Using JavaScript for Playwright, can you reference a variable dynamically? This topic is crucial for anyone working with dynamic variables in their code, and understanding how to reference them correctly can make all the difference in your project's success. In this video, we'll dive into the world of dynamic variable referencing, exploring what it means, why it's essential, and most importantly, how you can achieve it using JavaScript for Playwright. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the concepts involved and be able to apply them in your own project. So, let's start with the basics. In programming, variables are used to store values that can be changed or manipulated throughout the execution of the code. However, when working with dynamic data, you often need to reference variables based on changing conditions or input. This is where dynamic variable referencing comes into play. In JavaScript for Playwright, there are several ways to achieve dynamic variable referencing. One common approach is using bracket notation. This involves wrapping the dynamic variable name in square brackets and using it as a key to access the corresponding value from an object. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an example. Suppose you have an object with multiple properties, each representing a different variable. You want to reference one of these variables dynamically based on user input. Using bracket notation, you can create a string that represents the dynamic variable name and use it to access the corresponding value from the object. Another approach is using the eval function. This function allows you to execute a string as JavaScript code, which can be useful when working with dynamic variables. However, it's essential to note that using eval can pose security risks if not used carefully. So it's crucial to ensure that any input values are sanitized and validated before passing them to the function. So, from our discussion on referencing variables dynamically using JavaScript for Playwright? First, understanding the basics of variables and how they're used in programming is essential. Second, bracket notation provides a flexible way to reference variables dynamically by wrapping the variable name in square brackets. Finally, while eval can be useful in certain situations, it's crucial to use it with caution due to potential security risks. That's all for today's video on referencing variables dynamically using JavaScript for Playwright. We hope you found this explanation helpful and informative. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you understand dynamic variable referencing better, and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on programming and web development. As a next step, we encourage you to try applying these concepts to your own projects or experiments. Practice makes perfect, and working with dynamic variables can be a fun and rewarding experience. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.